Now that you have a connected plant floor, the second thing you might want to do is have some predictive as well as prescriptive maintenance. So we have an offering called Digital Prescriptive Maintenance, which is built using our Edgeline appliance. It does compute in Azure and uses AI and other machine learning tools from partners like Dataiku, which are also built on the Azure cloud.
And that digital prescriptive maintenance really is a key part of what people really want in the factory, which is all about preventive maintenance. And the last project is really combining all of that and adding AI. And that's called the Project Brainwave that Microsoft did a bunch of research on over the past several years in terms of adding a field programmable gate array capability to model a neural network and add that capability to an Edgeline 4000. And what we're doing with that is we're doing things like quality insurance inspection. And the real key is that this is 50 times faster than the current imaging that you can do today, so you can model a lot of things and actually inspect things very, very quickly, where maybe latency or something like that might be a problem, and process that in incredibly fast times, and make sure that you kind of keep that manufacturing floor running.
Thanks for your time, and stay tuned for more exciting stuff from HPE and Microsoft in this space.
That was